Students, today I'm going to show you how to do slide 7 of your historical figure presentation. Slide 7 is called your Works Cited Slide. This is where we're going to give credit to any websites we used when we did research for our presentation. Now, whether you're doing a presentation or you are typing a paper for a language arts teacher, you should always have a Works Cited either slide or page as the last thing you do. And this is where you're giving credit and you're being honest, saying these are the resources I used. Most of the time it'll be websites, it could also be books, it could be videos, you can even use TV shows as long as you give credit to them on a Works Cited page. Notice that the second line of these two entries is indented, but the first one is not. That is one of the rules when you make a Works Cited page. It is supposed to look like that. I'm going to delete what I have so I can start over and show you how I got it. First, you need to open your research guide. You were supposed to use two different websites. I used biography right here. I'm going to open that up. And then we're going to go back, and I also used history right here, and I'm going to open that up. We will need these websites. Now I'm going to go to Canvas, and let's go down and look at the requirements for slide 7. We're going to use this website called MyBib.com to create our Works Cited page. So I'm going to open that up. Immediately, you'll just click Generate My Bibliography. There's a green button that says Create Citation. You can start with either one of these. You can already close the little notes in the help box. I'm going to click Create Citation. Notice it says what website. I'm supposed to paste the website that I used. So I'm going to go to my first website, which is about Benito Mussolini on biography, and I'm going to copy the website. I'm going to paste it in this box, and I choose Search. And it'll pop up, and it says, hey, we have found this website. I'm going to click on it, and it says they could not detect an author. Please check the source. Does it have an author? Well, a lot of good websites will have the information you need to cite it at the very bottom of the page. So I'm going to go down, and biography and history, a lot of their pages will have citation information. And you can see it tells me down here the author is biography.com editors. So I'll go back and I'll say yes, there's an author, and the first name I will put in as biography.com and the last name editors. We click next. And you just want to double check each box and make sure something is filled in. Notice the publisher here is empty. So if I go back and I look at the publisher, they have A&E Television Network. I can copy that. Another place you can normally find the publisher is at the bottom of any website. If there's a trademark, sometimes down here you can find the name of the publisher as well. So I'm going to go back and we're going to put in the publisher, and I'm going to choose the date that this was reviewed. Just choose today. Keep it simple. And I'll hit save. Notice that they've already created one of my biographies, one of my citations. I'm going to create a new one for the other website. This website, I used history.com about my person, Benito Mussolini. I'm going to copy the link. I paste it in. I search for it, click on the link, and notice they already found the organization, they found the authors, the website name. I'm going to go look for the publisher. So we're going to scroll to the bottom and see if they have citation information. Notice they do. The publisher was A&E Television right here, so I can copy that. Notice down at the bottom, remember if you look, they normally will have it at the bottom next to a trademark, who the publisher is. So I'm going to paste that in there. I'm going to say today is the date, and we click save. And if it says there's already one with the same title, just say yes, add it. Now we have our two links. I'm going to click on download Works Cited, and we're going to copy and paste. So I just click on that. And notice if I click here, this is what it should look like. We're going to click to copy, or you can highlight it and copy it, or just click here. You go to your slide 7, and you just paste it in. And I'm going to normally paste it. If you click at the end of this link, with the tab button, and at the end of this link, it'll make it links. You can go ahead and backspace this back if you want. And so there's not a big space there, and you're done. That's it. You can remove this title since we already have it at the top. You have everything finished. That's how you do slide 7.